Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today we have something different on the channel because we are actually going to talk about the Free Republic of LiberLand, guys. That is a sovereign state located between Serbia and Croatia that is built on classical liberal ideals and that is very crypto friendly, guys. Something really different. They also have their own cryptocurrency, their own blockchain, their own schools and all of that. Pretty exciting stuff, man. I'm really happy and well, I want to bring this to you ASAP, guys. So before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into this video, guys. So as I said, I'm really excited to bring LiberLand to you today, and they have their own crypto, guys. It's called LLD, as you can see, trading at 2.4 USD currently. And if you actually have a look at their all-time high and all-time low, it is pretty stable-ish, I would say, because it hovers around 2.5 USD, which is pretty good. And LiberLand, guys, LiberLand is in fact a sovereign state, as I said at the beginning of the video, between Serbia and between Croatia. And as you can see, Croatia has spent 11 million euros since Litska proclaimed LiberLand on 13th of April 2015. So this is cost of LiberLand.com if you want to check this one out. And guys, let's read some stuff about LiberLand on their website, and then I will show you some of the exciting stuff that I have here pulled up for you guys. So welcome to the Free Republic of LiberLand. LiberLand is built on classical libertarian ideals which emphasize autonomy and minimize the state's encroachment on individual liberties. Rule of law, bodily autonomy, free trade, freedom of choice, freedom of movement and others are core tenets of our fledgling nation. And you can apply for citizenship, but it's not that easy to be approved, guys, because as you can see, they have 974 registered citizens, but they have 739,000 citizenship requests. They are very crypto friendly, so I get where the requests come from. But yeah, it's not that easy to get approved, obviously. So they have 76 representative offices, 9 diaspora villages, 4 ministries, and that's how and where they are located. So about LiberLand. The Free Republic of LiberLand is a sovereign state that is located on the banks of the Danube River, known as Gornja Siga. It is a constitutional republic with elements of direct democracy that allows direct engagement of the citizens. The founder and head of state is President Litska, and the state has 2 vice presidents and 5 ministries. The official language is English and the national currency is the LiberLand merit. LiberLand's motto, to live and let live, and that's a pretty good motto if you ask me. So it is really located in a beautiful environment as well, between Croatia and between Serbia, 2 beautiful countries in fact. So yeah, I wish I could visit LiberLand soon. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, it is pretty nice. So guys, they have all of these things here. As you can see, you can create a company, set up a business in LiberLand, which is very easy and quick procedure, as well as it is cheap. They have e-residency, so as you can see, LiberLand has developed an e-residency program for personal identification and access to e-governance system. Applying for and obtaining an e-residency is the first step for many to gain citizenship. So they already have stuff that, you know, countries that we live in don't have for years, okay? Which is very exciting and pretty futuristic, I would say. And it shows you that people behind LiberLand are really educated and they know what they are doing, unlike many governments of other countries. They also have the free trade zone. The initiation of the LiberLand business incubator is underway in the Apation free trade zone. LiberLand Group do Sombor operates as a conglomerate to further the interests of LiberLand companies. And guys, why I'm bringing this to you, you might ask, okay? Well, they have the crypto here, okay? They have the crypto that has only 4 million market cap valuation. And we are not talking about, you know, some token that, I don't know, is a meme coin or has NFTs. Man, this is a freaking state. This is a freaking small country between this token, okay? Between this coin. So that's why this has enormous potential. It has enormous potential, and it also has very low supply. Look at the supply, guys. This is 1.5 million current supply right now. So this could really skyrocket. Okay, this could easily 100x from here. Okay. Realistically, short term, I'm seeing 10-20x potential here, since this has launched not so long ago actually. So it does have the potential, especially when people will start finding out about LiberLand, about the whole idea here, about the whole state, you know. There is a big chance that this could really skyrocket in price. So guys, they have obviously you can visit LiberLand, I'll show you that in a second as well. Ark Village, guys, they have this Ark Village that is located in Apatin, Serbia, and near the Danube River. It is a spectacular property with cozy cabins and a beautiful lake, offering a serene environment for those looking to learn more about LiberLand. And you guys can go ahead and check this one out. And they also have the Visit LiberLand. LiberLand is a pristine land full of greenery and wildlife, offering adventurous individuals an opportunity to truly live off the land and have proper homesteading experience. And you can go to this website, which is visit.ll.land, and then it will basically show you more details here, and you can check out what kind of sleeping opportunities they have. So yeah, you have the cabins, which are pretty cheap, 90 bucks as you can see per night. They also have camping plots, and you also have some more luxurious options as well, guys. So yeah, you can sleep, for example, on this yacht, which is very cool. Up to 12 guests, as you can see, 1 bedroom, 4 beds, 1 bathroom. Pretty exciting stuff, as you guys can see. Works as any other hotel. As you can see, you have a check-in after 10 a.m. and check-out 12 p.m. So yeah, no age limits. Pretty cool to see, and you can book it right here for any number of guests that you have, right? Right. So I just wanted to show you that as well. Okay, guys. Moving on, you have some latest news, as you can see, some events from Washington DC, actually, pretty exciting. Invitation to the 9th anniversary of LiberLand, so yeah, they are since 2015. LiberLand Metaverse, guys, powered by Cyber-Urban Crypto Incubator. LiberLand Metaverse is a collaboration between LiberLand, Zaha Hadid Architect, Metaverse, and Arc Agenda AO. LiberLand is mapped on the Metaverse, and it is designed to be a virtual networking hub for the crypto industry. Then you can see the latest events as well as the blockchain governance. So obviously this is pretty cool because they are building an open source government that will maximize the freedom of its citizens. It was also the first nation to draft its constitution alongside its governance platform, the LiberLand blockchain. As a nation state whose governance and legalization is managed on-chain, LiberLand enables citizens and e-residents to start businesses under LiberLand law and the jurisdiction of LiberLand courts. So you can subscribe here to get the latest news and check out all of the other stuff that they have on the website. So you have the about sections, FAQ, blockchain, legal section, as well as the government section, where you can check out the president and the whole, I guess you could say, team behind LiberLand, the whole government, president being Vít Jedlička, as you can see. Then we have vice president Boguslav Wozniak. So this sounds pretty Polish to me. Having held various leadership positions in American, Polish, and international corporations, Wozniak has been a staunch advocate for LiberLand since its inception. Yeah, he is Polish, so that's pretty cool. Minister of Foreign Affairs, as you can see, Minister of Finance, Minister of Justice, and Secretary of State. And this forms a government that performs better than governments in any other major big countries. I'm saying it. Man, full transparency from me here. Honestly, they have better government than most of the European countries, for real. You can visit about their, you can read about their culture and all of that. They also have their own marketplace, which is kind of like eBay for LiberLand, and you can see you can buy different stuff, accessories, and all of that. Or you can buy their flag, which is also pretty cool souvenir, to be honest. They have primary school, they have schools, guys, they do. So you also have the information here on this website, which is school.ll.land. There's a pretty cool domain, to be honest. So I will link all of this in the description, obviously. So they are a fully functioning country, I could say. Then they also have the e-liberland.org, where you can see many informations about the LiberLand as well. You can see how to arrive, their own map, you know, how it looks, and the many other things that are in LiberLand, within LiberLand. So you can check this all out here. Create your plot, urban design, and yeah, you can see how the whole state, how the whole country is designed, where are the government buildings, and the properties. So yeah. Then I also wanted to show you that they have their e-residency mobile app as well. So if you're a resident, then you can also enjoy the benefits of their application and the community. So this app basically acts like all-in-one, you know. You can receive services and provide services. So you can get like taxi, like Uber, Fiverr, you know, Airbnb, all of that in one app, which is also a cool solution, because instead of having all of these applications on your phone, you can just have this e-residency app from LiberLand, and you can access all the services in one application, which is very convenient. So yeah, the token price, I already showed you that. They are trading, obviously. They are available on CoinStore and Emirex. And guys, just wanted to put it in the video that I believe in this project truly, and I believe in the whole state truly. I mean, they have been here for 9 years, and I will try to visit them this year. If I manage to visit, then I will definitely make a vlog video, my first vlog video from this. So it would be cool to visit LiberLand, but well, we'll see how it goes. I don't know as of yet when I could be pulling this off, but it is definitely in the range of possibilities, guys. So the token has a lot of potential, I would say 10x potential easily, as I said, and bigger potential long term. I wanted to invite you to visit their Twitter, follow them here. They have 4,000 posts. They are actively posting about news from LiberLand in general, as well as the cryptocurrency news. And then I also wanted to show you their documentation. They have the whole wiki here, the whole white paper, guys, where they have all the documentations, you know, regulations, policies, informations about the blockchain, white paper, separate white paper for the blockchain, tokenomics. They also have the LLM, which is the LiberLand Merit, their own state currency. So you can view all of this here, guys. If you want, then we could also make another video about LiberLand if you will be interested. Then, I mean, we'll see how this video goes, how many views it gets. If there is interest in LiberLand, then I will try to provide you with another video, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about this whole idea, and what you think about the cryptocurrency itself, and their own blockchain and all of that, guys. I'm really curious and interested in seeing your opinions. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.